What's going on, everyone? Thank y'all so much for joining me on another video. So in today's video, we're talking about the soak off method. All right, so that right hand is press on, the left hand is gel X. If you haven't checked it out, go ahead and check it out. So this soak off method will be using no acetone and no oils. All right, so I have my dish. That's my soaking dish that I soak off my nails with. And I'm using just some regular dishwashing liquid. All right, so my dishwashing liquid of choice is some Dawn. And I'm putting it in my warmer to keep my water nice and hot. Okay, so what I'm doing now, I'm using a wooden stick. And I am breaking the seal from the McCart nail glue. All right, so that y'all know that's the glue I love. I absolutely love it. It is great adhesion. And so once I break that seal, I am going to soak my fingers. I start off with my timer at 20 minutes, but every 10 minutes I am going to try and see how I can get those, see how I can get an opening in those nails. So let's take a look. Now, like I said before, every 10 minutes, I am going around each of the nails, trying to find just a little bit of opening. I am not putting any pressure on these nails. I just want to find an opening where I can get that hot liquid under the nail to get that nail glue to melt off. So each nail I am doing that, and then I will be going in for another 10 minutes. And just like that, they pop off with no pressure. It's not harming my nail beds at all. The index and my thumb finger will be the hardest nail to get off. If you are new to my channel, I am an avid bowler. I bowl in a league. And these are the two fingers that I use the most in my everyday life. So I automatically know that if I have to reapply them or whatever, those two fingers right there will be the hardest to come off. And as you can see, these nails are coming off intact. So you can reuse them. Now, this process took about 30-40 minutes, okay, y'all? I put on a movie, I put on a TV show that I wanted to watch, and every 10 minutes, I just checked on the nails. And so as y'all see, I got all 5 nails off. All I have to do is let it completely dry, and then I can clean out the insides of each of the nail, and they can be reused. They are still strong and ready to go. And y'all, that is my nail glue remover that I usually use. But if you don't have that, here is an alternative. All right, so I have proven that you can do the soak off method with no acetone, no oils, and you are ready for your next set. Bye.